Hey, thanks for joining me again for another edition of Flocktails, my nice little metal friend here. I'm going to do a drink today that's been around since the 1930s. Find it in bartending books all the way back to that. Even though a lot of people contend it was invented in the 70s and the 80s, it's been in bartending books the whole time. The only thing that changed was the implementation of cranberry juice into the drink rather than raspberry syrup. There's only 4 ingredients in a Cosmopolitan, or the sophisticated cocktail. You need some citron vodka. Now, I'm a big fan of the Kettle One citron. I just think it's a better citron. You need cranberry juice. You need some lime juice. And then last but not least, you need a orange liqueur. Now, you may have seen me show this on a previous video. This is called Drouillade. You can get this at Total Wine. It's very inexpensive. I think I paid like $15 for this bottle, but it's a really good, simple orange liqueur. You could also use a triple sec if you'd rather. That's fine. I think the original recipe calls for Cointreau. I prefer this over Cointreau. You need a martini glass. And if we're going to do a Flamingo martini, we need a Flamingo martini glass. I'm going to start with some citron vodka. It's 1.5 ounces. 1 ounce of the orange liqueur. And 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Really just a splash of the cranberry. It's really for color. So you need about maybe 1/4 ounce. Shake it up. Get your martini glass. Get your strainer. And make some happiness. Now, a perfect service of this, you're going to put a lime wedge on the side. I didn't cut any limes. I promise you, it tastes perfect. That's really good. That is a Cosmopolitan. Very simple drink. Give it a try. It's fabulous. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video so I can beat the algorithm that YouTube likes to mess around with. Have a great day.